Hello everyone, this video will introduce real-time device abnormal notification on HiPro Connect. Click Site to enter site list page and click sites such as Paris to enter site details page. Select Exception tab. Exception is used to monitor the status of managed resources in real time. The resource is exceptional. The resource will push a notification to HiPro Connect to notify specified installers about this exception. Currently, the exception includes two types: device exception and channel exceptions. Before use, please go to Device tab. Here are 2 points for your attention. First, make sure you have the configuration permission of the devices. Second, click Notification to open notification settings. Enable notification. If you have requirements on the time of introduction push, you can set the notification schedule according to your preference. The exception lures of all devices added in this site are displayed by default. You can click on Fold Channels to display all the channels of the devices. For encoding devices, all the cameras will be displayed. Here, we take IPDoorn as example. Step 1, we set IPDoorn as the source. Step 2, move the cursor to the exception field and click Edit. Check exception types that you want to set the exception lures for. For offline exception, you can set threshold of offline duration. When the device or channel is offline for longer than the threshold, an offline exception will be triggered. Click OK button. Step 3. Set how to receive notification. Move the cursor to the Received by field and click Edit. Check the receiving modes according to actual needs. Portal. When an exception is detected, the device will push a notification to Portal in real time. So Portal is checked by default and you cannot edit it. Mobile client. When an exception is detected, the device will push a notification to HiPro Connect mobile client in real time. Email. When an exception is detected, the device will push notification to HiPro Connect, and the system will send an email with exception details to email address of the recipient in real time. Step 4. Set who will receive notification. Move the cursor to recipient field and select Site Manager or Installer Admin. The recipient can receive notification when exception is detected in real time. The Site Manager is checked by default and you cannot edit it. Step 5. Set when the recipient can receive notification. Move the cursor to Schedule field and select the schedule. After setting one lure, you can copy the lure setting to other devices or channels for quick setting. In the Copy Exception setting from field, select Devices or Channels as the resources, and in the To field, select Target resources of the same type as selected sources. After setting exception lure, you need to enable lure to enable device exception lure or set Enable All switch to enable all the devices exception lures in the site. This is introduction about exception. Thank you for watching.